Alessio with Forest River Cardinal, and today we're going to talk about a few things on our 2025 Cardinal. To start, PVC membrane roof with a lifetime warranty. It also, as you can tell, rolls down the sidewall about 5 inches to help protect against any of the elements. Also, down below here, we have what we call our underbelly armor. Can't see it, but what most manufacturers do, or they'll do a one piece, where we actually will do 4x6 panels. Makes it really, really easy for you to get up and access it. And then we have our 2-inch laminated sidewall. But what we do different is every single opening is aluminum framed, and that makes us different than most manufacturers out there. Here on the outside, we have a few things to talk about as well. We have a 32-inch residential entry door. It makes it nice to get in and out a lot easier. Also, I can get any furniture that I need in and out being a residential size door, and also being 32 inches that makes it handicap accessible. Over to the side here, you'll notice very large window. Makes it really great to be able to sit there and see wherever you're parked, your view is not blocking or obstructing. On this side over here, you'll see we have our 4-point electric auto level. One touch makes it really easy to set up your coach. All right, here in the kitchen, you're going to see some residential features, which is the 30-inch microwave, the 21-inch oven, and the 16 cube 12-volt refrigerator, which is really nice. And then up top here, you're going to look up and see the 18 cube soft start AC that is going to be ducted throughout the unit. The other two ACs will be direct dumps, and each AC is independently controlled. But the nice thing about an 18K soft start, you can run all 3 ACs at the same time. Down here, you'll see we have a sticker that says Easy Clean Floor. What that means, you'll notice no ducting in the floor, no heat vents, and no carpet, which is really nice. Those ducts are going to be in the cabinets and the walls.